Yo, what's up? It's Mike, Motorsport Masters. Just here with you today talking about our latest Pro R build. It's a pretty basic build, except for we got a really cool Weistec turbo kit on this car. Probably the fastest car I've driven so far. It's stupid fast. All right, so we chose a 35-inch BFGs, KM2s on this build. Get you the extra ground clearance. This tire's been really good. Great hooking up tire. Lasts a good time. Really responsive. It's on the 15-inch KMCs. Pretty cool blacked out wheel to go with the blacked out theme of this car. Next to the motor armor doors, give a really smooth, clean look. We need to wipe these ones down. There's little fingerprints all over it from the tech installing them, but really nice, smooth, clean look on this blacked out car. Cool little upgrade. They absolutely don't rattle. Like super solid install on these, which is really cool. Keeps from rattling your brains out on the trail. Anyway, got these door bags in here with the knee pad to keep your knee from banging into those aluminum doors. Little storage in here as well. Fit really nice. We went to, when we go into the 35s and the turbo kit, we chose the Bikeman clutch kit on this guy, so we can tune it out for altitude, the bigger tires, and the added boost with that turbo on this Pro R. It's been a solid product. Launches out of the hole really good, super tunable. Been an awesome product for us for a long time. Next is the spare tire rack. So this rack is really cool because it will work with factory storage options from Polaris. It's on gas shocks, so it pops up and will accommodate a 35. So one of the only tire racks in the market that'll handle up to a 35 without any mods. Really nice. Last but not least is the big turbo kit from Weistec. We've got this puppy set up for right around 300 horsepower, which is their conservative setup. And this thing is crazy fast. We were driving it yesterday. I could hardly keep the tires from spinning on it. Even at 20 miles an hour, we lay into it, it just smokes the tires off. I think four-wheel drive is going to be necessary on the dirt for sure. So. If you're the kind of guy that wants to show up, you've been trying to battle your buddies all these times, you know, upgrading turbos, trying to do different tuning, E85, all that crap. If you just want to show up and be the fastest guy out there with the biggest, this is definitely the car for that. So this Weistec turbo system is one of the best products I've seen come across the market for side-by-side in a long time. The fit and finish is great. Even the intercooler system, all the panels that integrate that into the factory bodywork come out super clean and flawless looking. Looks like it came on the car factory. Same thing with the turbo on this side. All fit and finish is really top notch on this car. It looks like it came factory with this turbo system. We upgrade the intercooler, or the air cleaner. It uses the factory air cleaner, but in a new housing. All silicone charge tubes on here, into that intercooled system with 3 spall fans on it. And it sounds incredible. This car sounds really, really cool. It's got a cool little blow-off valve, but the exhaust note that comes out of this car is sounding really cool. That, if you can hear it over the tire squealing, basically, yeah. Maybe on dirt, it'd be a little better on dirt. But yeah, like really impressed with these Weistec kit. Customer service has been great, been able to call and get somebody on the phone, super easy. Their tuning is spot on. We haven't had to touch it. Typically we do a few data logs and send some correspondence back and forth, but haven't touched on this car. It's been flawless. All right, guys, so Motorsport Masters is your spot to come for your full build projects. You want to come in, we can do from doors to sound system, to turbo kits on your Pro R, whatever it is, we'll get you dialed in, we'll get you tuned in, we'll get you ripping the right way first time.